So it is somewhere down here. Number 6. Number 7. Okay. Do we need the key? Whoa. This is like black and gold. This is like proper black and gold. TV, mirror. Wow, look at this chair. This cushion's amazing. Look at that. These huge lamps. These are cool. There's the bed. Wow. That's a lot of black and gold. There we are. Hello. Let's go in the bathroom, have a look. Here I am. Oh, look at this shower. I love a big shower. How do we get... I like to stand in a shower when I first get in. Oh, that's lush. It's got one of those big head things as well. See that? Love those. Wow, this is cool. I think I should be more than happy in here. I could do the customary bed test. Ready? Hold on. Let's just do the bed test. Here we go. That'll do me nicely. One thing I forgot to show you was this amazing view, which is just beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. I mean, there's a little tiny balcony out here. I don't know whether I can actually get out. Oh, there are some locks and stuff up here, which I guess I can if I wanted to. But wow. Oh, yes. My shirt definitely needs ironing. I love this wardrobe because it looks a bit like the one out of Beauty and the Beast. You know, the one that throws all the clothes out. But all it holds are my clothes and laptop bag. I really like these chairs. They're like chairs they'd have in the Big Brother house. Look, so cool. Well, they're not that comfortable actually. I thought they were going to be way more comfortable than they are. Never like that. Ooh, they're nice though, I like the look of them. Right, I've just come into Sam's room now. There's Sam. Look at the glamour! Look at the glamour!
Hello everyone!
What actually are they?
What?
Are you actually working?
Yeah.
Oh, don't be fooled. No one's fooled.
I have to work for a living.
Nice. This is Sam's room. She's got a twin because she's sharing with Tam, although Tam probably won't stay, right?
Right, she won't stay.
We can't go in the bathroom because there's been a movement. Do you want me to go in or not?
Yeah, you can go in.
No, I'm scared. This is what it takes to make a Sam. Follow this. Follow this magic right here. You got really cool views as well. Oh, look at those people over there. They have a right old gulp in here, especially with you tonight.
They've got some bunny rabbits on the lawn. Have you seen them?
Make sure you keep these curtains closed, Sam, when you... Where are the rabbits? Oh, yeah. Look. Wildlife. Oh, he's cute.
Yeah, the rabbit or
the
boy.
rabbit. The rabbit! And there's a groundsman down there who can see me pointing at him. Nice room. I like it.
Thanks.
Push those two together if...
Bit of action.
Yeah, you pull.
Coming back later, Graham?
No, I'm firmly two lockable doors away. Right, this is Lisa, my friend.
Hello.
We're going to Lisa's room.
Welcome to my boudoir.
Not the first. Oh, you're here.
Oh, no,
no,
I'm
there.
not, I'm there.
Okay. Oh, this one, number 3.
Hang on.
Now, I've heard things about your room. I've heard good reports.
Come on in.
Oh. Oh my God.
So here.
What is this?
And there.
This is an actual... In she goes.
In I go.
Here she is.
This is it. 2 o'clock a.m.
This is brilliant.
Isn't it amazing?
Oh my God. Now you're right in the getting out of there.
At my age.
Here we go. Oh, you've got like, this huge big mirror again as well.
Yes.
And then look at this. There's the wedding pagoda. Pagoda? Is that what they call them? A pagoda?
Yes.
Oh. Have you got an extra room?
There's an extra room.
Who's in here?
Extra guest.
What? You've got a spare room?
I know.
Forgot to do the bathroom. Oh my God. Your bathroom's like as big as my room.
It's another level, isn't it?
Whoa. How many people can you get in the shower? I reckon 7. That is amazing. Sam's here. Fancy getting the jacuzzi, Sam?
Of course.
Nice.
Shall I try exercise?
Yeah. Here she goes.
However, we have been in this jacuzzi before, haven't we?
We definitely have.
A few of us.
Hang on, how many is a few of you? Well, hang on, what
I reckon
happened?
we got
We had
six
six of us in
this
there.
jacuzzi last year. Oh. How we roll. Spacious and quite slippery.
Counted how many biscuits I've got, just in case they go missing. Last year.
I've already eaten 3 of mine.
I'm experiencing something for the first time. I've never actually been in a hot tub. Can you believe I've never been in a hot tub?
No.
It's a true story, I've never been in. Right, I'm going in. Right.
Do you want me to hold your phone?
I think I'm all right. It's just whether... Oh God! Whether I'll get out or not. How do I look?
I think you look. It suits you. It definitely suits you.
This is quite nice. This is where all the action goes on, apparently. It did last year, so I hear. What time's that happen?
2 o'clock.
2 a.m. I'd have been up for almost 24 hours at that point.
That's my life, Craig.
Yeah. Amazing.